The CPL24, an acronym for Evergoods Civic Panel Loader 24, is something of a cult classic in the carry space, and it's not without good reason. For one, the brand is the brainchild of former GoRuck co-founder Jack Barley and former Patagonia product engineer Kevin D. What's more, it was one of Evergood's very first bags to go to market back in 2018, a wildly successful Kickstarter project that surpassed its funding goal by nearly $24,000. Ever in the pursuit of perfection, Barley and D have continued to tinker with their formula. Accordingly, each new generation of the CPL brings with it both a revamped construction as well as improved functionality. Needless to say, when we were able to secure a sample of the version 3, we just had to get hands-on with the bag to see how it would perform in practice. In this review, we see whether the Evergoods name lives up to its promise. When you see the CPL24 in person, the very first thing you're likely to notice is that it's a pretty unassuming backpack. In contrast to most carry solutions on the market these days, the bag is not overwhelmed by excess straps, clips, and other accessories. It's stark in its simplicity, completely barren of exterior branding and decoration. Even the construction appears to be straightforward. The fabric is consistent from panel to panel, and there's no exposed mesh to ruin the aesthetic. Because of its minimalistic design, the Evergoods CPL24 appears much smaller than its 24-liter volume would have you believe on paper. In fact, it's actually smaller than some less spacious bags that we've been testing. Compared to the Air TechPack 2 with 17 liters of storage, the CPL24 contains 24 liters. Despite this 7-liter difference, the CPL24 is dimensionally smaller than the Air Pack, measuring 18 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 11.5 inches deep. It's also a full 1 pound lighter at 2.8 pounds unloaded. For this reason, we feel that the CPL24 can work for a variety of wearers. It's a truly versatile bag that's understated enough for the office, yet rugged enough to do double duty come time for the weekend. You'll also notice this to be the case in the bag's construction. On the one hand, it comes with a wide variety of 9-to-5 friendly features, including a horizontally opening laptop compartment, some pen loops, and a built-in briefcase strap. However, Evergoods has also fitted the bag with dual hydration ports, reflective patches, and an ergonomic harness system. But we'll dive deeper into all of this in a bit. Given the combined experience that founders Jack Barley and Kevin D bring to the Evergoods brand, you better believe that the CPL24 is absolutely dialed when it comes to its construction, which was designed here in the USA in Bozeman, Montana, where the company is based. The body of the bag is made from an 840D ballistic nylon 6. Custom developed over the span of 3 years, it features a woven, durable, water-repellent finish that makes it more breathable and more sustainable than previous iterations. In hand, the stuff feels smooth and refined with a slightly slick texture. Inside, Evergoods has lined the CPL24 with a 420D high-tenacity nylon. In addition to being brightly colored for improved interior visibility, it's also been coated with a polyurethane for an added dose of longevity. And the premium materials do not stop there. In order to give the CPL24 some structure, Evergoods has fitted the back of the pack with a removable HDPE frame sheet. Sure, it's not the stiffest choice of reinforcements, but we actually like that it's slightly pliable. It makes the bag much more comfortable on body, and besides, when combined with the 7075 aluminum side stay, it provides plenty of support to keep the bag standing upright on its own. It's worth noting, like all Evergoods backpacks, the CPL24 uses RC series zippers treated with a DWR finish to repel water without changing the cycling resistance for easy access and peace of mind to keep any sensitive electronics secure from even the most compromising environments. Notwithstanding its premium build, the pack's fit feels natural and comfortable on body for extended use as well. Featuring an integrated harness, a breathable monofilament contoured back panel, and differentially cut shoulder straps, this pack was undeniably crafted with regular use in mind, as the comfortable EV50 foam is crafted from a unique nitrogen gas construction process that translates into well-distributed density by utilizing consistent bubble distribution throughout the foam. The integrated harness keeps for a tidy, streamlined fit, and the padded top and side carry handles allow you to carry the bag in more than one axis, something perfect for accessing the bag in any orientation during commutes or on the trail. Not to be understated, the seamless on-body access to the pack's contents let users quickly retrieve most everything the CPL24 can fit. We found this comes in handy if you're someone constantly on the move, in a crowded urban environment like a subway or standing on a bus, or even for bicycle commuters who need an EDC staple without fully removing the pack from their bag. As one of its hallmarks, the Civic Panel Loader 24 certainly prioritizes accessibility. As such, the CPL24 has two main access points via a top exterior pocket and a large side pocket. Flipping the pack on its horizontal, one can see the pack's two backpack straps crafted from EV50 foam interior and a ballistic nylon outer shell, as well as a side zipper used to access the pack's main internals. Diving deeper, Evergoods has fashioned this pack with a generous horizontal laptop pocket with a padded and suspended sleeve, paired with a Velcro strap used to secure and protect up to two laptops at once that measure no more than 17 inches in length. We've decided to use our MacBook Air here as an example. Flipping the pack 180 degrees, the large U-shaped zipper reveals the Civic Panel Loader 24's large main compartment lined with a light gray 420D high-tenacity nylon, finished in a polyurethane coating for extra internal protection. Seeing as our laptop already has been stowed away, the next best choice would be another small device like a tablet. Here, we've opted for a piece of literature perfect for a day's commute. Above this pocket lies 4 pieces of webbing to secure smaller EDC staples. A couple ballpoint pens here make perfect utilitarian sense for any modern professional's day-to-day. This leaves just enough room for a pair of over-ear wireless headphones and an EDC pouch. On the right side, the front internal mesh pocket is large enough for a standard-sized composition book, even when flipped on its longest axes, as it's about 10 inches wide. To stay powered throughout the day, the topmost internal pocket's a logical next choice for any electronic pieces of kit. Here, we stored our standard laptop charger with its respective power cord. Closing the pack's main compartment reveals the front exterior pocket segmented internally with similar mesh and nylon pockets found in the main bay. As this section of the pack is quickly accessible, we've chosen to populate the space with items that have regular utilitarian use for on-the-go EDC. A wallet, knife, camera, adapter, and a phone charging cable are all appropriate choices. Moving on to the last section, the Civic Panel Loader 24 has a unique quick access pocket similar to the previous exterior pocket at the pack's topmost section closest to the user's back. The most notable feature here would have to be the key leash, but since this section will probably not experience as much abuse as the front exterior might, we'd also suggest keeping some EDC kit here that may be more fragile, expensive, or irreplaceable, like our pair of keys, wireless earpods, or a similar bottle of lotion or sanitizer. Evergood's history, reputation, and previous distinction in the space provided insight on what to expect, and the Civic Panel Loader 24 did not disappoint. Despite its straightforward appearance, the Civic Panel Loader 24 not only raises the bar and brings with it both improved breathability and reimagined construction, but also radically optimizes functionality. That being said, it's clear that Evergoods prides itself on both design and utility in their approach, as the CPL24's external appearance does suit a wide variety of landscapes, from commuting to white-collar work environments to weekend excursions, doing so with both form and function. If you're looking for a form-fitting, dexterous, and lightweight do-it-all pack with durability and with straightforward styling for all your work-related needs, the Civic Panel Loader 24 should be at the top of your list.